Okay, so here's your pro tip for the day. When you receive your Shiftpod, you're going to find some tie downs that are in a bag. Kind of looks like this. The orange and the gray are interchangeable. You can use the orange ones to tie down the Shiftpod, or you can use the orange ones to tie the blast shield on. Either way, what you need to do is unfurl them, and you'll have two ends. One has nothing on it, and one has this cleat. Now the way this works, it's really easy. Pull this loose here, clip a carabiner in, just like that. This is the cleat end, you got your carabiner. Now the way this works is you can slide this down and the line flows through the cleat. If you try and pull it back, it locks into the cleat and is nice and tight. Okay? So on the other end, you need to put a carabiner on. Simplest way to do that is to create a loop. Really simple. Put it through the fat end, over the top, just like that. Push it all the way down until you have that. Okay? Simple half hitch here, and you're good to go. That's it. Now, this end goes to the stake in the ground, which should be about 1 meter out from the Shiftpod. This end clips in to the metal ring here. That's the way you want to do this. Now to adjust it, you simply pull down here and tighten it up. The line will slip through the cleat and it'll allow you to tighten and cinch the pod down just like that. You do not want to clip into this strap. This is just for pulling the walls out. That's it. That's your pro tip for the day.